With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1 is asparagine contain more nitrogen than aspartic acid. B is amides are derived from amino acid in which hydroxyl part of the acid is replaced by another amino group. So we have to find out which one is correct or incorrect. So we will see the statement 1 and here we will see the structures of both. Firstly we will take the structure of asparagine, that is H2N side chain CO CH2, then CnH2 carboxyl group and the hydrogen. It is a structure of the asparagine. Asparagine amino acid. Now we will see the structure of the aspartic acid. Here I can make it like this. H2, sorry, this is not H2, structure is OH CO CH2 CnH2 COOH and H. So this is the structure of the aspartic acid, or we can say that the aspartate, aspartic acid. Now, if we'll carefully see the structures of both, there is some small difference. Difference lies is here, that is this amino group. Otherwise, here it is a hydroxyl group. Otherwise, structure is same here, NH2, NH2 and COH, that is that of typical amino acids. Only difference is at place of amino group in asparagine. In the case of aspartic acid, it is the hydroxyl group. So, now in the question they have asked, asparagine contains more nitrogen than aspartic acid. Here in the case of asparagine, two nitrogen atoms are present, 1 and 2. In the case of aspartic acid, only one nitrogen is present. So we can say that this is a correct statement. Next is amides are derived from amino acid in which hydroxyl part of the acid is replaced by the another amino group. If we'll see the typical structure of a amide or amide group, that is having the RCONH2. So as per the statement, amides are derived from amino acid in which hydroxyl part, that is, it is being replaced by another amino group. So this is also correct because asparagine, it is also a type of amide. Here hydroxyl group, when it is being replaced by NH2, it becomes a amide. So this is also the correct. And even if we'll talk about the peptide linkage, this CONH2 peptide linkage is also a form of the amide. Peptide linkage formed between two amino acid, that is also a form of the amide. So we can say that this is also correct statement. It means both A and B are true. Only A is true wrong, only A is false wrong. Both A and B are false wrong. Option C is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.